Hey guys, welcome back to HOLAI just chatting, and we're back today, and today's video is gonna be about guess what who's this? A new protective style, baby. Edges on fleek too, makeup on fleek. What? All right, let me stop. I stay saying like I need to stop, but yeah, once again I'm gonna show you how I style it. Obviously, the first one is a beautiful side part. This is my go-to. I like doing this one because it's easy, and I look mad nice with side parts. So exactly how I style my passion twists. Those are one of the main things that I normally do, but 9 times out of 10 it's either like this or the last style that you've seen in a bun, because I am in the military. So yeah, that is exactly how I style my passion twist. Like, comment, and subscribe which hairstyle that you guys liked. Don't forget to share, and yeah.